In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to install Stremio on Steam Deck. So let's get started. Now, first of all, you're gonna open this application right here on your Steam Deck, and then you're gonna search up here Stremio, okay? Now, once you search up Stremio, you're obviously gonna see an app like this. And from here, you can just go ahead and click on the install button, okay? Now, once it's installed, you're just gonna click on this application right here. So just click here anywhere, and then you're gonna see something like this. From here, you're just gonna click on launch, and then obviously Stremio is gonna open, and you can go ahead and explore literally everything you want. You can go to Discover tab and discover different stuff, and you can start watching whenever you want. So that's how easy it is to install on Steam Deck, and I hope that this video has helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.